Soap pin cushions smell great and make your pins slide easily into the fabric. Make sure you have all your materials ready before you begin. First, measure around the soap bar's length and add about 3 inches. Then measure around the soap bar's width and add about 1 inch to half that measurement. Mark and cut a rectangle from the fabric with a length and width equal to the measurements you calculated. Press under 1 inch on each end for the hems. Adults should do this step or closely supervise. Sew the hems on your sewing machine. Fold in half with the right side of the fabric inside. Sew the side seams using your presser foot as a guide, or mark seam lines to follow with your ruler and colored pencil. Trim little triangles from the bottom corners. This keeps your corners from being lumpy when you turn your project right side out. Be careful not to cut through the stitching. Turn right side out and insert your bar of soap. Pin closed with a large safety pin. The safety pin will be one of your sewing tools. It's used for pulling elastic or drawstrings through casings. Your pins have a new home.